So it's your first time gardening. There's two things I need you to remember. One, don't get intimidated. You can do it. And two, don't plant too many plants. One tomato plant can yield upwards of 70 pounds of tomatoes. That's a lot of salsa. Start small, then work your way up to more plants. All veggie gardens need 8 to 10 hours of direct sunlight. Full sun is best, so wear a hat and don sunscreen. When growing in the ground, you'll need a shovel to mix in compost to fortify the soil, and a metal rake is perfect to level it out. No ground to grow plants? No worries. A 5-gallon plastic pot filled with potting soil will work just fine. You can plant by seed or get a jump on it by buying already grown plants called sets. Don't get wigged out when insects and weeds come around. It's part of the program. Simply choose a sprayer for the size of your garden, then attack those problems with organic and natural controls. It's just that simple with the Chapin family of sprayers.